I've used the matrix visual to provide a grid with conditional formatting for colors of changes over time of a number of metrics that are useful. I'll only show in this case the water cut change, but I also have a grid for the days online, a grid for the change in barrels per day, and a grid for the barrels per day as a gross number. What we can do with this, because we have the filtering options, is if we click over here, we have these rows and we have these columns, which are actually the identical set, but we can slice them any way we like, and the color indicates the change in year on year. So in this case, we're looking at the change from 2019 to 2018, but we could just as easily use that year filter to click through. And that's remarkable given that we've got 4 million rows of data, how quickly Power BI was able to sort through, find the 2015, 2014 numbers, and then filter them, aggregate them by range and section, and present those differences year on year. That would be something that would be basically impossible in, for example, Excel or any other software that I'm aware of. So we'll head back to 2019 and have a look at the differences here. So if we filter on rows, because we have two options here down in the bottom right, we can drill by rows or we can drill by columns. We'll start with rows. So at the moment we're sitting in range, it looks like. And if we drill down, we'll see information that is now the section. So we can see that section 16 had the biggest decrease in water cut. If we keep drilling down, we're into township, and we can mouse over any of these and get some more information. Not a lot was happening in that one. We can mouse over this and get some more information. This particular combination of range and township says that there were 955 barrels in the year. That's a difference of 43 barrels. The average water cut is now 1.75%, which is a 71% decrease year on year. Not a big producer at 2 barrels a day. That allows us, using that filter, to go all the way down, and then we can also change over to columns. And so we've locked the rows, and now we can start drilling down through the columns. We click one more, we're going to get into units. So the color indicates the change. So all of these are seeing differences. We're seeing a minus 34 or a 34% decrease in water cut in that particular section. But the infinite combinations that you could come up with this in this metric allow you to really go looking for information, for insights that you wouldn't ever be able to find in, say, a printed PDF.